Here's a look at the lights, the work lights and headlights on the tractor prior to changing going to LEDs. Let's give you a look inside the cab. Let's turn off the lights. So pretty dark out. We'll turn off the work lights. We'll turn off the rear lights. Very dark on the rear with the lights off. So let's put the LED lights in and see if they make a difference. I hope the camera can pick this up. So which light do you think has the LED light in it? Obviously the left headlight. I thought these headlights that came on it were very clear and very white. Look at how they look compared to the white LED light. Let me shut the lights off in the garage. And let's see, that's just a headlight, but man, that's pretty impressive. Wow, I don't know if you can see that. The LED light is so much whiter and clearer. God, it looks like I bought a new tractor. Okay, let's swap these out. So it appears that all these lights on this tractor, the headlights and the floodlights, are the same. So I hope I'll give you a follow along. You turn the light counterclockwise. And if you can see it, you pull these prongs, these tabs on the side, and rock the light out. Okay, so you can see the two different lights. Very similar. And then you can see the prongs that you have to pull out to remove the light. So let's put these on. Belt snaps. That's snapped in. Get it to engage and then turn it. And then that's installed. Pretty easy. Okay, let's do the rest of the lights. Again, we're going to turn the light bulb counterclockwise, and it pulls out of the housing. We're going to spread the tabs. And I would pull one side out of the tab and then pull the other, and that seems to be the easiest. This bulb is an 862. You can see that. My bulbs don't have a number on it. I'll try to post it from my Amazon order. But you can see what the bulbs are. These are the work lights have a different bulb number, but they're cross-matched. So again, I'm just going to put this on the same way. Get it to clip, push it on, and click it into the tabs. Well, tabs clicked. And then turn it clockwise, and then it's in. Very easy. Let's finish this up. Wow, I cannot believe how yellow the old bulbs look compared to the LED. Look at the headlights. It's like I bought a new tractor. Look at that. Let's turn on the rear lights. I don't remember shutting off. I wonder if that bulb's blown. Wow. Little things in life get us excited, right? Like LED bulbs. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Let's finish this, we'll pull it outside. Headlights, work lights. And by the way, if you're thinking about buying a tractor, a cab tractor, any tractor, you need good work lights. I don't know if there is a difference. Actually amazing. Let's see the back. Oh my God. I don't know. Maybe my windshield is dirty. I don't know if there's a difference in the front. The back is amazing, the rear lights. The change. Let's give you a look outside. Wow, those are bright. Let's give you a look from a distance. Wow. You know what's funny? I don't see a shadow from the flag. Wow. Honestly, I ordered LED lights maybe about 5-6 weeks ago. Figuring out the lights, I noticed I have a rear tail light that's out. I gotta take that, and I think it's a 10-cent light, believe it or not. So I gotta get that swapped out. Wow. This is a win, right? Big win. The housings are cool. They haven't been on that long. Big win, big win. Now, why did I change the lights on this? My brother Patrick, he is a big light guy. He changed the lights on his 1025R, and he sent me a picture of it. I was so impressed with how white the light was. But viewers, typically before I had my channel, my favorite time to clear or blow snow was at night. Just to come home from work, I'd clean the driveway maybe before my wife came home. And so it was important to me to have good lights at night. And by the way, I never thought I would use my zero-turn mower at night. And in the fall, I was scrambling to get the lawn cut, so I have to put an LED light bar on that. So without a doubt, I'll do some snow blowing, at least one video of clearing the snow at night from inside the cab. And these lights will help me. They're awesome. That's what a tail light looks like that works. So Marauders, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with a friend. Just let's respect each other. Let's believe in our country and believe in ourselves. And I hope to see you on the trail or snow blowing at night with LED lights. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. Flag needs a light at night. Pretty awesome.